Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to transfer information from one Xbox to the next. And if you have an old Xbox and you bought an Xbox Series X, you can transfer your games over your network so you don't have to re-download them again. And this might be a little bit quicker if you go ahead and do it this way versus going to My Games and Apps and just downloading them under here again. So to do this, we want to go back to the home screen. Then go up to Settings, scroll on down to where it says System, and then go to the right and go to Backup and Transfer. Next, we want to go to Network Transfer, and this says let other consoles copy games and apps from this Xbox and see what consoles are available on the network. So make sure both your Xboxes are turned on and they're discoverable and connected to the internet. Then come to this section, and this says this will allow other Xboxes to copy a game. Okay. So just come to this section right here, and your other Xbox does have to be on, and just bring them both to this section right here, and you should be able to discover them over here on the right. All you have to do is select it, and then it's going to go through the process, and you can select everything that you want to go and copy, and it should make it a lot easier than just downloading everything. Otherwise, you can back up your settings to an external drive. I believe this doesn't allow you to copy games here, but the drive, you can copy the games specifically to the drive, but you'll have to do that in a different section. You'll have to go up to Storage Devices, and then go to your internal storage and move or copy the games over to your external storage from here. So that should make it a little bit easier, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.